Hello everyone, welcome back to ShortTutor where we simplify business fundamentals into easy to understand concepts. In our last video, we completed the analyze phase where we identified the root causes affecting our process performance. Now, it's time to move forward with the improve phase. By the end of this phase, we will identify the best solutions to improve our process and move towards a Six Sigma level performance. So without further ado, let's begin. The first step in the improve phase is to identify potential solutions for each of the root causes found in the analyze phase. Our goal is to either reduce their intensity, reduce their occurrence, or completely eliminate them. Now, there are two approaches to finding the best solution: analytical approach and creative approach. The analytical approach is called design of experiments or DOE, wherein we identify multiple factors or inputs which we can control, having different levels each that affect the outputs. And through simulation, we determine which factors have the highest correlation with performance improvement, and at what level of controlled inputs the effect of uncontrollable inputs are minimized. DOE is best suited for manufacturing or process industries where machine settings and operational parameters can be controlled precisely. However, for our case study, we will use a more creative approach through lean thinking principles. Let's explore that more. Since our case study focuses on service operations, we will improve our processes by brainstorming potential solutions using lean principles, where the ultimate objective is to identify and eliminate various forms of waste in the process which results in non-value addition to the customer. There are various systematic lean techniques used to eliminate this waste, some of which are Kaizen, Kanban, SMED, Poka-Yoke, and many more. If you are new to lean thinking, don't worry, we have separate videos covering each technique. Do check them out by clicking the link above. Remember, for our case study, we had identified 4 root causes, and after brainstorming, we have now generated 2 to 3 potential solutions using lean tools for each root causes. Now that we have multiple solutions, we need to filter out the best ones. And for that, we have several established techniques which help us in making an informed decision, such as Payoff Matrix, which evaluates effort versus benefits, N/3 voting technique, which reduces the list to the top 1/3 with each voting round, and Analytical Hierarchy Process or AHP, which scores solution based on factors like ease of implementation, cost, and time required. After applying these methods, we finalize a list of best solutions. But before full-scale implementation, we need to test them in the field. That's where pilot testing comes in, where we conduct a pilot study, implementing each solution on a small scale and measuring its real-world impact. During the pilot phase, we closely monitor process performance, employee and customer feedback, and various operational bottlenecks. And based on the pilot study results, we fine-tune our solution before full-scale rollout. Finally, before implementing our solutions organization-wide, we need management buy-in. For that, we conduct a cost-benefit analysis. This ensures that our solutions are financially viable and deliver real improvements. With that, we have successfully completed the improve phase of our Six Sigma project. It's time to celebrate. But wait, what if things go wrong after implementation? What if new challenges arise that degrade service quality? We need controls to sustain our improvements. That's why we must move to the control phase, which we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching ShortTutor. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the control phase. Until then, happy learning.